blue. Ghost Rider's gonna get mad at me later. She's my bitch.
You're like 25 hanging out with a 19-year-old and an 18-year-old.
Hey, fuck you. I'm 23, asshole.
I'm about to be 20.
Get. You're gonna get gapped this time? Emblems, the Ghost Rider emblem right here. To buy some 3M tape for my Camaro. I'm just gonna put the 3M tape is mostly for the emblem. It's for Ghost Rider. If you hit that up, it's right up on the top. Where's Easy going? We're gonna park in the back. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna go.
So close to that truck. Holy
shit,
bro! You have all this space and you want to put next to that truck.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna go get some 3M tape for my emblem for Ghost Rider. I'll stay tuned. I'll see you inside.
These lights. What's over here? Oh.
What? Oh, these are the lights, you know? Underglow, but they're the Chafio ones.
Ooh, red auto wire. Ooh, for the what? Nothing. Like the supplies.
That's the 3M tape. Let me see.
$5.
Yes, guys, we have found the 3M tape finally.
Told you I was here.
Auto Advance for my emblem.
Wait, $5, right?
You still collect Hot Wheels, Albert?
No.
Why? I still collect the 35. What is it called? Hot Wheels 35 back in the day.
Fuck with it.
Ooh. Mario Kart. Do you still watch Hot Wheels 35 Easy?
What's that?
Fuck you. I mean, I feel old now.
I don't know what that
That's
is.
like 2005.
You're like 25 hanging out with a 19-year-old and an 18-year-old.
Hey, I'm 23, asshole.
I'm about to be
4
20.
in 2005.
Man, you're calling me?
2005?
I was 4.
Let's see the carbon fiber. Let's check it out.
I did it myself. Don't get too close on it.
I can't see. There we go, mira. Carbon fiber at its finest. How long did it take you, Albert?
It took 2 hours. I did all 4, and then
Looks fucking easy.
and I tinted the side markers.
Yep. Well, that's what we need.
You got those demon eyes.
Shit, looks this bitch.
The white strip doesn't turn on when you unlock it?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
But they're daylights, right?
Yeah.
And
Oh,
daylights, you only have front lights, right?
Okay, we get it. We get it. Get gapped. Hurry up.
Get-
Get the car. Get gapped.
You're gonna get gapped this time? Yes. Do this. Gotta let them catch up. A little mini gap, okay.
I only hit 65 though.
Rider emblem right here, and I have my friend Alexis. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna install it with the 3M tape. It's pretty simple. Just cut it up, just like this. Line it up, keep it all even, and all straight and stuff. Yes, cut the tip. Cut the tip. That's right.
I'm tired of shit, bro.
Tired as fuck. Long day at work. Shit.
There. All we want to raise, right? How long you're down?
Cool.
5-0?
What does he have?
Stock?
So yes, guys, I already have the emblem, 3M tape. All we're gonna just do is just gonna stick it in. Oh shit. My bad. Just stick it in. Right under the badge, Camaro badge. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm still at Tokens, still here. I went to get some Aloha. It's some kind of like Panda Express type of Chinese food. But yeah, just eating here. So yes, guys, we already installed the skull emblem that I always wanted. Looks pretty nice. Pretty nice Mustang. GT, right? Yes. Who knows? Oh, but yeah, I like the underglow. It's pretty good. We see some vets over there. More vets. But yeah, so guys, we're just chilling here at Tokens, like just a small car meet. So you say it was a V, right? A V6 Mustang, but it sounds like a V8 right here. I'm very surprised. Oh shit, underglow's coming in. That's clean right there. There's a Corvette coming in. 2 of them. What's your Instagram?
Oh yeah.
¿Qué dice? So we can follow you.
Silver Dream.
What?
Silver Dream 03.
Oilo. Follow Silver Dream 03. Right there. Good thing I'm already home. Got Barb Simpson, wasted with lean. I really hope you enjoy the video, guys, going with me and my adventures with my car friends. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. There's more videos on the way, so stay tuned, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Laters.